Hello everyone, welcome to Raj the Basic Hairstyle. I am collaborating with TYMO brand. They sent me two tools, one blow dryer and the second one is thermal curling brush. And the first one, I'm opening the box and you can see this is the blow dryer and that one is all of them attachment. This is the nozzle, comb nozzle and diffuser. How big and wide, and this blow dryer, and they do have a high, medium and low speed as well. And the nozzle has a magnetic attachment, and the comb nozzle easy to attach with the blow dryer, diffuser easy to attach with the blow dryer, diffuser on her hair. And you can see this blow dryer has a speed, so I'm using the high speed. And this is, you can see the white line is for the cool and the orange line is for the hot, and the top button which is I'm pointing, that one is for the cool air. When you hit the top button, if you want to cool down your hair, so use those one. It's an amazing feature. Now I'm going to attach a diffuser and turn up the heat. And now I'm trying to use diffuser, and this diffuser don't make your hair frizzy, and it's really good for curly hair. If you want to not to look any frizzy, always use the diffuser. So now second attachment, I'm using the nozzle comb, and I'm going to show you how to make a curly hair to straight. So first you see I use the heat protector. Now I'm making her hair straight, and just like how you comb hair, so I'm using this blow dryer as a combing, and looks so smooth. And you can see I start using the cool air to close the follicles and make like a straight, and you can see the difference. This is more smooth and straight, good result. Now I'm going to open the second box, which is called TYMO thermal curling brush, and so excited to use on my mannequin hair. And you can see this thermal brush has 3 temperature settings. So let's start to see how it's going to be work. And this very good barrel. So you can see I have a mannequin and she has a 100% real human hair. I just applied the heat protector. Now I'm going to turn on my thermal curling brush, and you can see the white light blinking. It means this is the light, whole light temperature, and the orange is 360 and the red is up to 395 Fahrenheit temperature. So if you have any coarse hair, so you can use up to 395 Fahrenheit, like which is red light. And if you have a medium textures of hair, so you could use 360 Fahrenheit temperature. And if you have a color treated hair, so use the white light, it means 220 Fahrenheit temperature. So this barrel is make you like not curly, it's going to look like you do have some waves in your hair, and like is more like volumizing and more like how you do blow dry hair. So exactly it's going to look like. So if you have a fine hair, so this is perfect for your hair. If you have a lots of layers in your hair, it's amazing and easy to use this kind of tool and make your lots of look like you do have lots of hair lots of volume, and it's really good to use this kind of tool. Also, I'm going to share the link in my description so you guys can use my code and get 25% off and order from TYMO website. Thank you very much for watching all video, and I hope so you guys learned something how to use the curling thermal brush. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.